Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi. This video is of explanation of insert note. In this video, in my previous video I have explained about insert caption, that is cross reference, and this video is of insert footnote. Now insert footnote is present, this option is present in references. Can you see here references tab? So in references you have insert footnote. First of all, before explanation of usage of this insert footnote, I would like to say that what is the purpose of it first of all. For example, you just take a textbook, right? In the textbook, each page has some data in it. In the data, in the middle of the data, lines, sentences, any word, if it is a hard word or new word, if you don't understand, like if you want them like before, like when they are creating the textbook or when they are writing the textbook, they will give some hard words in the middle of the sentences. So normal people cannot understand the hard word meaning. So what they will do, they will highlight that word and they will give the meaning of that word at the end of the page, right? You might have observed some textbook English readers non-details, like science textbooks. If you have observed some words, the meaning of that words is mentioned in the end of the page, that is bottom of the page, in the footer place. So that can be done with the insert footnote option. Here two options are there. One is insert footnote. This insert footnote can be done in two ways, that is insert endnote and next footnote. That means like suppose what is insert footnote, I said now it will be at the end of the page, that is bottom of the each page. Suppose in one page you have some paragraph, in that 1 to 2 or 3 to 4 hard words are there. So that 4 hard words meanings will be mentioned by giving names to it. It will be mentioned in the at the bottom of the page. What is insert endnote? Insert endnote is nothing but it will show the meanings of some other words at the end of the document, or in computer language we will say, in computers we will say at the end of the document, but normally in textbooks it will be at the end of the book. So this is the difference between insert endnote and insert footnote. Insert footnote is at the bottom of the page you can insert the words. Insert endnote is at the end of the book or end of the document you can insert the footnotes, like meanings of some hard words. So for that I will show you how to insert the footnote. Now already I have created some pages. So for this you require some pages. So see first page. This is first page, right? In first page I have written some, I didn't take any long paragraph. I have given some two sentences like that, right? Now let me change the color so that you will find out the difference between heading and okay. See, this is the just a paragraph, like 2 sentences I have written. This definition is nothing but it is the heading, right? This is in first page. No, not first page. Like first page always you should keep blank, so that if you want to add anything, just keep it blank like that only. Now come to the second page. In second page, the definition of computer is there. In third page, right, 1 second, already it has come into second page. Okay, now it has gone to third page. Right, this is third page where you have parts of the computer. Just I have written, for example, sample, I have used this. This is the fourth page, monitor. What is monitor I have written. And this is fifth page, central processing unit. Right. And this is the next page, mouse. And one more page is there, keyboard. Right, now these pages, for example, for showing the how to add footnote, I have done all these things. Now what I will do, you just observe. I'm coming to the first page, sorry, second page, so that which is where the matter is there. First page I said I will always, I'll keep blank, right? Now you are in a first page. Now here can you see here definition? This is the heading and this is the paragraph. Think that this is a paragraph. Just I have given 2 lines. Here what I will do is, I was just reading. When you are reading, you might have got some doubt on electronic, like electronic or whatever it is. I have taken this as the hard word. Suppose hard word is there, you don't know the meaning of this. How to show the meaning? You can't write here only, na? So you have to select that word, particular word, and go to references, right? Say insert footnote. What happened? At the end of the page, where it is, this is at the end of the page, it is saying 1. Why? Because this is my first footnote in this page, right? See, can you see here automatically it is showing electronic. I have selected 1 here. That means I didn't write any meaning of it. When I write the meaning, it will show the meaning in that box there. See, it is showing some box. Now come to the footnote place. Now come here and type electronic meaning. What is electronic meaning? Just write something. I don't want to mention some different electronic. This is connected. Just my thinking I am writing. This is connected to electricity. Right, electric city. Right. See what happened here. I have written some meaning over there. Now when you go to that particular word, what it will show you. See, I kept my mouse pointer there. What is it showing? This is connected to electricity. That means this word, the meaning of the word, it is showing, right? This is nothing but the footnote. Now I will show you how to add insert endnote. Now I will take computer, word computer, and I will go to insert endnote. What I am saying, insert endnote. See properly, it will go to the last page of the document. Can you see here? See, last page of the document. This is the next page to the last page. Okay, right? This is the keyboard and it has come to the last page of the document. See clearly, you will understand. Now what happened? It is saying first one because it is endnote. Endnote, till now I didn't do anything. So endnote I have taken computer. Now it is asking the meaning of that, or whatever it is meaning, or if you want to enter something else, opposites to it, like that. So here there it is for computer we are showing the endnote. I will say it is a machine. It is a machine, right? Machine. Okay. Now just go to that first page. See, you are in last page because this is called as endnote. Now go to the first page. You have to move the cursor to the first page where that word is there, endnote word. Right? First page changes in the sense, second here. See, here that word. Can you see here somewhat different? Somewhat different here. When I kept my mouse pointer there, it is showing it is a machine, right? It is a machine. Understood what is the difference between insert footnote and what is the difference between insert what is the difference between insert footnote and the endnote? Footnote means it will be showing the meanings or whatever you are selecting that particular word's description in the bottom of the page. Insert endnote is it will be in the end of the document, last page of the document. And show notes means if you want to just click there, it will take to that it will make you scroll the situations, scroll the pages, right? Now this is about the footnote. So with this I will end up the video. You might have understood this. If you understood or if you like it, please subscribe it, share it, like it. Okay, then thank you. Bye.